Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Vansi Krishna. So today I am going to tell about the most important, very much the most important paper that's going to be economics. Inter second year economics paper regarding 10 marks. 10 marks weightage important questions, my dear friends. What kind of 10 marks questions may appear in the public examination in the paper economics second year? 10 marks questions are very important questions for each and every student. The only thing is, I suggest each and every student to watch the video completely so that you can get an idea of what kind of questions may appear in the public examinations. The friends, this is one of the most important paper, and in this paper 10 marks weightage very important. The first thing is, I suggest each and every student to watch the video, especially you can get an idea of what kind of questions may appear in the public examination. One of the most important questions regarding 10 marks which I am going to discuss for the year, which I am going to discuss for the year 2021 IPM for TS and AP. The first one is, what are the causes for rapid growth of population in India? Very important question. What are the causes for rapid growth of population in India? How can you reduce inequalities in the distribution of income and wealth? Once again, how can you reduce inequalities in the distribution of income and wealth? Describe the causes for low productivity. Describe the causes for low productivity in agriculture. It's agriculture. In intermediate secondary economics, agriculture unit is very important. Agriculture topic is very important, and one question will definitely come in the public examination in the subject agriculture, in the topic agriculture. Next one is examine the industrial policy. Examine the industrial policy resolution 1991 and explain the characteristics of developing economics. Explain the characteristics of developing economics. Causes of unemployment in India. Causes of unemployment in India. Importance of agriculture. Agriculture topic, one of the most interesting topic in intermediate second year economics paper, friends. Finally, I suggest each and every student to understand the meaning of the questions. If you understand the meaning of the question, it is very easy for you to understand and very easy for you to write any kind of answer in the public examination. The meaning of the question: what is an agriculture? What are the causes of unemployment in India? What are the importance of agriculture? Why we use agriculture? Without agriculture, what are the losses? What are the benefits of agriculture? What are the benefits of agriculture? What is the importance of agriculture? What is the meaning of agriculture? And what is the concept of agriculture? You need to understand each and every point regarding each and every question. Friends, understanding, practicing in the notebook or notebook is very important for each and every student, so that you can get 100 out of 100 marks, so that you can get 100 out of 100, or at least you can get 95 plus definitely in the public examinations without any doubt. Only the secret of success in getting is understanding the meaning of the question. Understanding meaning of the question. The agriculture, very important questions, friends. Finally, I suggest each and every student refer the previous model exam papers where you can get it from the bookshop itself, and just refer the most important, and because 10 marks important, 10 marks weightage is very important for each and every student. So just refer the previous model exam papers regarding 10 marks. You can get an idea of what kind of questions will definitely be appear in the public examinations. So finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so that you will get my updated next videos. Thank you so much, friends.